Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Delta Force not opening on PC. First, go to your Steam and go to Library, and then go to Delta Force. For example, this is the Delta Force. Right click on it, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. Now just wait for it to be finished, and then if that didn't work, go here on Browse and look for the Delta Force Launcher. For example, this is the Delta Force Launcher. Simply right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, and run this program as administrator, then click on Apply. Now try to open it, and if that didn't work, lastly, update your graphics drivers. So to update your graphics drivers, go to the Windows icon and right click on it. Go to Device Manager and here go to Display Adapters. Now click on your graphics card, right click on it and click on Update Driver. Follow the instructions and after it gets updated, it should work. And that's basically it.